She was born on December 11, 1997. As of 2021, their age is 23 years and their birthplace is Mexico, where she born and brought up, but now currently she is living in United States of America, where she also has started their career as a model and also gaining a lot of success in this passion. Her height is around 5 feet 6 inches, 170 centimeters, and their weight is around 71 kg, 156 pounds. Their body measurement is around 41-35-48. She usually used to visit different gyms and also not miss a single chance, which can help her to be much more fit and healthy. Might be she is in the relationship, but about this, she does not has to share any information on the internet. She is working very perfectly in the industry, and because of this, she has to build a huge source of income and has a net worth of around $500,000.